my channel again. I have unboxing here for Great Traditions. This is another store that I bought some cars. They have amazing cars and amazing deals. This car cost me $69.95 and the shipping is $13. So the total is $83.12. So they have sometimes they have good deals, and they send this flyer. So here I have a Avant slotcar. So this car is new in the market, so they have a good presentation. This is the Avant slot Nissan 240 RX in white. I saw some review in YouTube, but the version that the rally version is in black. But when I saw this car of the release, they came in three colors. The version that the rally is in black, another in red, and this one in white. So this color for me is the best. So okay, I cut the plastic, and then the car have a ball under the base, so you need to take it out too with the screwdriver, and then the car is released now. So this is a new model. I think this is a 21 RPM motor, and then have a good the car have now the good guide, so they have a suspension here, so I think that is good in the track. Okay, if you see better the details in this color than the red and the black. So this is amazing stuff. If you see in the back, say the 240 RS, they have everything detailed for the lights. And I don't know if you see, but inside the wheel you see the red color here. That is the brake. This amazing car. I like too much this version. It's beautiful car. So I show you something because I try to find the car, but let Hobby not have the car. And if you see here, the other site that I bought sometimes, they have the car, but the car is $79.99. So this is the cost here. So I try to find it in another stores, and then I find that the Great Tradition, and the Great Tradition have the car in a much better price. So we add the shipping cost. That is the shipping cost is $13, but it's priority mail. So the car here in Puerto Rico maybe three days. So it's fast and shipping and good and packing. So the car is very secure. So it's more cheap than this site. So with another thing that I bought for this car is this in Let Hobby. I saw this very good aluminum wheels. I like the colors and the form that I have the wheel. So very good aluminum stuff wheel here. So I'm going to run the car with these wheels, that is stock wheels, and then I try to put these wheels and try to test again if have any changes in the time. But the thing that I bought these wheels is only for the aesthetic purpose. So the model is 21, say that 21 RPM, 300 grams per torque. This thing, so something happened in these models. The cables came off, so I think this much better put a bolt, small bolt here, and this cable put in the outside for the return to the guide. And it fix here a little bit. Let me check here. Because this system now in this model is good. This guide with the suspension is good, and have ball here. So the only you need is the adjust the cable to the return, the guide return. I think this is good. Putting outside this part for the chassis. Have a good. So maybe need put some glue or something to attach the cable here and don't lose outside. Okay. I think the configuration in the transmission is 927. Let me check here that everything is okay here. Okay, let me put it up. A couple of grass, little bit grass here in the transmission. Okay. Okay. They feel good now. And then oil. Maybe put it here, a little bit here, a little bit here, and here, and here, and here, a little bit. So now maybe not friendly in the front. They run very well too. Ok, aquí lo tengo rodando. Es una goma aquí, rústico, que no tengo todavía. Tengo que preparar mi base para poder rodarlo. Pero eso sí, le eché este líquido que no limpia contacto. Se llama Electric Part Cleaner. Esto es para motores. Yo creo que es más fuerte porque inclusive una vez lo eché y me dañó un cristal de una de las guaguas. Este es el contact cleaner, ¿ves? Este no hace nada, pero este encuentro que es más para motores como tal y es más fuerte. Lo tengo rodando para ver si suaviza un poco el motor. Déjame, para ver si suaviza un poco. Pero entonces mira lo que hice. Rompí aquí. Esto viene cubierto, pero entonces lo rompí para tener acceso al motor y le eché el líquido. Lo tengo rodando ahí un ratito para ver qué pasa. A ver si suelta un poco. Aquí le puse este mounting tape para ajustar un poco los cables. Volví, le puse el spring donde va. Aquí ahora mismo al frente le puse unas ruedas que tenía ahí, que son más pequeñas de perfil, y atrás vamos a tener unas ruedas más altas para que entonces esta parte no choque en la pista. Lo voy a probar así, con las ruedas, con los aros de fábrica, a ver cómo va. Y después entonces le voy a poner los aros de aluminio que tengo ahí, que es más bien estético, pero son aluminio los cuatro, para ver cómo corre. Seguimos. Ahora ya está la guía seteada, está rodado el motor. Ahora vamos a poner estas otras ruedas NSR de goma. Aquí donde fue de llenada las voy a poner de este lado, el lado afuera. Ahí quedó. Y aquí tiene el otro. Se supone que donde fue inflada o donde llegó, ¿verdad? Con el molde sea el que va para afuera. Ahí quedó. Y ahora se siente un poquito más suave. El motor, bueno, ahora lo voy a probar. Tratar de bajarla a los 6. difícil bajar el 6. 7, ok. Vuelta 6:39. So, bajo de 7, que era que los tiempos que estaba haciendo, 7, 8. Ahora, con las mejoras que se le hicieron, quiere decir que le hicieron efecto.